Okay, so in this video, I'll just continue the last 3 steps to complete this mortgage assignment. Okay, on step 14, you'd like to use the lookup function on the payment info sheet to determine the annual percentage rate. So on this worksheet, we do have a small table here that's based on the information here is like based on the year. You can determine the type of rate that the person is qualified. So you're going to use the lookup function, and specifically using the X lookup function. So the X lookup function is search. It's like the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, all these lookup functions that search a range or an array for a match and returns the corresponding item from the second range or the array, as you can see in the definition. So let's see how we apply it. So the lookup value here is going to be the year. Okay, so the lookup value, it's here how the years in cell F9. So based on the term, we're going to specify the rate. Okay. Search for the year in the following range and return the rate based on the year. Okay, I'll close the parentheses here. So you can see for 25 years is 3.625. Before I copy the formula, I will go ahead and lock the 2 ranges that I just selected, because I want these ranges to stay the same and not to change when I copy it across all these cells. Okay, here use the payment function. This is, I'm applying step 15. So the payment function, the rate divided by the number of payment, which is in cell B5. B5 also will be locked, and the term, and multiply this time by 4 to lock it, and then the loan amount is the amount I'm trying to finance, and put a negative sign to display the value in positive. Okay, again, before I copy, I already locked the B5 on both. I'm ready to copy to show all the different value monthly payment for all the other loans. The following and the last step here, so when you go to a bank and you ask for a loan, and certain commercial or certain products, especially the commercial, and sometimes some banks, they require specific down payment. So in this particular company, their down payment requirement threshold is at 20%. And if someone wants to apply for a loan and get financed, and they have a down payment that's less than this one, they have to purchase an insurance. So in this case, there's a scenario of, we're going to check using the if function to determine if they qualify, they have to pay an insurance or not. And so the down payment here, if the down payment for this loan number is greater than or equal to 20%, okay, and I will lock the B7 because it's also fixed. It's not changing. In this case, there is no insurance required, so it's 0. Otherwise, they have to pay for an insurance. So it is the amount financed multiplied by the PMI rate, the insurance rate, and that's also I will lock it before because it's fixed. Okay, divide on how many. Remember the term also this one. Here, once I have the formula, I copy so I can see these two loan IDs. So there's the monthly $55.55, another 174, because again the down payment required down payment is less than the down payment rate required by the mortgage company. Okay, so as you can see, this is the final of this. We're not doing any footer, so that's pretty much it. You save it and you go back to your Excel, so MyLab IT, and upload it. Always remember, you can look at your submission, and even if you submitted this work, you can go back and fix the steps that you missed, and then you can always resubmit and apply, increase your score for this assignment or any other assignment, as long as you're submitting within the due date or the late submission date for this assignment. Okay, thank you.